Look at how truly beautiful this decoration turned out, using only some super simple materials. First, take a cardboard tube and cut it down into 4 equal pieces. Then, find a sturdy piece of wood and start gluing those tubes onto it right away. To begin, position the largest tube first, then follow it up by adding the 3 smaller ones, leaving a slight gap between each piece to achieve a much more modern and elegant design. Next, paint the entire structure a deep black to provide it with that sophisticated, decorative finish that makes it look like something you would find in a store. Finally, take some lights and string them all the way from the very top down to the bottom. This simple addition ensures your lovely decoration glows with a soft, radiant, and warm light throughout the night. For the final touch, carefully tuck small, delicate decorative twigs into the empty spaces between the glass tubes. Using basic materials and your own creativity, we've crafted a beautiful, unique lamp, perfect for any cozy corner of your home.